Hello. So I thought I'd show you a bit of my workflow when developing my blog. So this is my blog, it's kimbico.com. And what I thought I'd do is prefix all of my blog posts like this with software engineering or a programming language. In this case, it wouldn't say 10 basic bash commands every beginner should know. It would be bash colon 10 basic commands everyone should know. This way it's just a bit easier to kind of tag them and locate what you're interested in, which is something I might extract into an actual tag value for future posts with their own sub pages and everything. It'd be kind of nice. Okay, so it's primarily this one, which is actually, if you see the URL there, it's actually software engineering / legacy. It should just be software engineering : modern approaches to dealing with legacy code. And the other one is this bash one. I think the others are fine. So let's do that. All right. So I'm in a shell session here inside my blog repo, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a branch. Let's just do it this way. Call it 6 tags, I guess. And then check out that branch. Okay. And what I'm going to do then is just open up them and let's see if we can. Let's start changing some of these pages. So what I want to change is the title of them rather than the actual location of them. So the first one is this legacy one. That one should be not legacy : but software engineering, like that. And then what was the other one? The other one. I've got to remind myself now. The bash one, which I put on the shell, which I think perhaps is a better name for it. Instead of bash, I'm going to put shell. Shell. Go on. 10 basic. Well, I'm pretty sure these commands apply not just to cd, ls, echo, redirect, rm, make the, remove the, cp, mv. Yeah, they're all pretty much common for all shells. So I'm just going to make that a 10 basic commands. Yeah, let's do that. And in hindsight, I've got these, the journey kind of personal blog post on how I became a software engineer. I might extract into their own little segment. So rather than having the software engineering, although it is about how I became a software engineer, it's not strictly speaking software engineering. Not in the same way that this one is, which is more high level blog post. So what I thought I'd do is, there's kind of a different change to this. I'm gonna commit this first. Not that one. So this is as I would expect. Just add that, get commits. Make simple title changes. Commit that, get push for good measure. I don't think I set up the upstream first one yet, so I got to do that. Origin 6 tags. All right, and then I want to, in my editor window, I want to, I think I want to rename this to journey, and then move this legacy one into a new folder again called software engineering. So what's the easiest way of doing that? I think it's more of a shell thing, so I'm just going to quit with them for now. Then I want to move source pages. Let's just cd into that. Yeah, accidentally hit C there. So move software engineering into a folder called journey, and then move make a software engineering directory, and then move the journey legacy one into software engineering. Now let's see what that actually ended up looking like. So this one is now, I need to refresh. Does that not? I don't think the auto recompilation here worked, so let's just run that again. Oh, this is my live blog, that's why. And you're not running yet, but you will in a sec. I just did a derp. That's my little friend. What's going on? Bistro finished. You claim. How much longer are you going to take? What else do you want? Something not the right URL? Oh, something's happening. There we go. Gee, that took a long time. It's usually much faster than that. If you're wondering what that is my good friend Krokuma. Alright, so this one now is under legacy, which is good, which is under software engineering, which it should be. And these are under journey, which is good. So I want to fix this prefix here now, because that's wrong. Because I think it should just be the journey colon something. Let's do that. So I want, let's go to this one, and so this is the journey ones, which have the wrong title. So let's just open that. Journey. Let's just make that, because this one was about getting a job, so I'm gonna, what do I even call it? Getting a job. Just that. And this one is about the induction. Cool. So let's see this, see if they work. Journey, induction, journey, getting my first job, excellent. And let's just change these titles. Then I want to go to this one, do the same thing. You can notice the formatting was a bit different there. I'm not going to fix that. BTT, and then XR colon. Excellent. I think that's what I want. Let's just get minus and dot to see if everything is as I would expect. So this one, so the top one has just been added where I expected to be added. Okay. And the other two have been deleted. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, okay, that's much better. So the diff is both in the location here and in the actual title, which is what I wanted. So I think I'm gonna, yeah, commit that. And what did I do? I moved journey blog posts to their own category. Cool. If you're wondering why I suck at typing, it's because I'm trying to get used to this ErgoDocs keyboard that I just got. It's amazing. It allows me to program whatever I want, but like as in I can program the keyboard, but it's ortholinear, which means that I often hit the wrong keys while I'm still learning how to use it. Good, that's all been pushed. Okay, so this is all synced up to my GitHub now. Let's not do that. Let's actually go to the GitHub link so you don't actually see my work stuff. There we go. Create a pull request for that for good measure. Verify that everything is as I expect it to be. Well, GTM, dude. All GTM. Now I can verify this by looking at this auto preview deploy that Netlify does for me. Anytime now. Cool. So once this is done, it's gonna give me a link to a live web page that I can go visit to see the preview of what it's going to be like if I choose to merge this pull request, which is quite nice. Site is live. Okay, where is it live? It's live here. So it's got the journey. The links look correct. Let's see if they actually work. Yes, they work. Excellent. And then all of these are now prefixed. This one's software engineering. Excellent. And yeah, that's basically what I expected. Just verify that this one works. Cool. It's a very short flow first. And yeah, let's go back to my blog. Which one of these was my blog? This one. Yeah. Let's go ahead and merge that pull request. Why are there three? I expected. Didn't I already merge that one? Never mind. We'll look into that later. This one. No, what? What the fuck? What the fuck? What's going on? Okay, there was a caching issue there. That almost gave me a heart attack. Okay. Thank you, GitHub. So I'm just going to merge this one. And after a while now, it's going to be live. Netlify is going to do that same deploy that it did earlier. And it should show up, not here, but on my actual blog. Yeah, so you can see this is still wrong. Let's just go to Netlify and see what my priorities are there. Netflix over Netlify. Log in. It's currently building. Starting to deploy site. Site is live, which means, so this is currently showing the wrong one. But if I refresh this one, hard refresh this one, it's going to, it's got a service worker there, which is showing me the wrong thing while it's loading. But now, I believe it's fixed. Excellent. So yeah, that's a bit of how I work when developing my blog, basically. Hope you enjoyed it.